What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel Bolt's Garage. Don't mind the nakedness, it's hot as shit. And I have to wrap the front end of the GSF for the road trip that I'm going on. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Simple process. I'm not going to be using blue painter's tape because that could leave a residue. So I picked up some Automotive performance masking tape. This is what I'm going to use. We're gonna basically do the whole front bumper, the lower carbon fiber lip, these grill pieces, and go probably across from here all the way across. Do these A-pillars up to here, maybe the mirrors, and that's it. So time lapse is gonna happen. I'm gonna set the camera and get to work. Enjoy, guys. You guys get the gist. This is taking a long time. It's tedious, but mask off the front end, the carbon fiber piece, the emblem, the chrome, and I'll show you the finished product. All right, we are finished. Took about hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. The hood was easy, but everything else was a pain in the ass, especially the front bumper. So here's the finished product. What I did, as you could tell, did from here halfway up the hood, around the headlights. It's not perfect, but I got the lower grill. That's done, and I did that also. Hopefully it doesn't interfere with the sensor. If it does, I'm just gonna take it off. But that's it, guys. Just wanted to show you how I protect my car for the road trip. I don't know, I'm gonna take this off once I get there because I'm gonna shoot some other videos, so I don't want this on there. and we'll see how it holds up. I'll make a video once I get to the location we're going to.